Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson we have two translations from two different people and something special in the end, right? So the first person that wanted me to translate something was Juju. Juju, thanks again for your continued support. It's really appreciated. So these are the things that Juju wanted to know. The first thing that Juju wanted to know was, what does the word Wura mean, right? So initially when I got that, there was some misunderstanding. So then I got a sentence from him. So the sentence was Yenwura. Yenwura. In that context, Wura is enter. And the sentence Yenwura in English actually is let us enter or let us go inside. So the next thing that Juju wanted to know was, how was your day? So that in Twi can be said as Woda nukoseng. Again, Woda nukoseng. The next thing Juju wanted to know was, the sun is burning me, right? Now, sun in Twi is Ewia or Owia. Right? So to say that the sun is burning me can actually be said in two ways. You can say Ewia shimi or Ewia no shimi. They're both perfectly fine. So again, Ewia no shimi or Ewia shimi. The next thing that Juju wanted to know was, water poured on it, it is wet. Now that in Twi can be said as Nsuo guso afo. Again, Nsuo guso afo. That's it for Juju. Thanks again for your continued support. It's really appreciated. The next person that wanted something translated was Afari. Afari, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Afari wanted to find out. The first thing that Afari wanted to know was, how do you say, where did you learn it from? And that in Twi can be said as Wosua rehye. Again, Wosua rehye. And the next thing that Afari wanted to know was, who taught you that? And that in Twi can be said as ɔkyerɛɛ. Again, ɔkyerɛɛ. And the next thing that Afari wanted to know was, how did you know that? And that in Twi can actually be said in two ways. And the first way of saying it is Woyɛɛ wohunuui. Again, Woyɛɛ wohunuui. And the second way of saying it is Ɛbaa wohunuui. Again, Ɛbaa wohunuui. So for the final part of the lesson, right, a friend of mine actually went to the internet, found a song by Fuse ODG featuring Sheeran called Bomi. So what they wanted me to know was if I could actually translate into English the part that Sheeran was actually singing, the chorus, right? So I actually went on the net, checked the song out, and it was my first time actually hearing the song and I actually enjoyed it. So I was hoping you could actually go through it, watch the video. After that, I'll actually translate or try and translate what Sheeran was trying to say from Twi into English. Then I'll watch the video again so that you guys can actually make some sense of what he was trying to say. So guys, let's watch the video together. Wow. Okay, for somebody who doesn't know Twi, he really tried. His pronunciations actually weren't bad, right? So these were the things that he was actually saying in the chorus. So the first thing that he said was Yenwura. Yenwura. Now that in English is do help me. Yenwura is actually do help me in English. And the other thing that he said was Yenwura why. Yenwura why, which is do help me, okay? So basically it's almost as if I'm begging you to come help me when you're done with whatever you're doing, which is again Yenwura why. And the next thing that he said was Somimu nabuami, which is hold me and help me. Again, Somimu nabuami. Somimu nabuami. And the other thing that he said was, so humi name se ahwe buami abranteɛ. Again, so humi name se ahwe buami abranteɛ. Now that in English is, if you see me and I say I have fallen, help me, gentlemen. Which in Twi again is, so humi name se ahwe buami abranteɛ. The next thing that he said in the song was, so humi na me se menni hwee a boa me na me nuane wo. So wohu me na me se menni hwee a, boa me na me nuane wo. And that in English is, if you see me and I say I don't have anything, help me because you're my sibling. Again, that in Twi is, so wohu me na me se menni hwee a, boa me na me nuane wo. And the next thing that he said in the song was, so wohu me na me se mihia wo a, boa me nuaba. Again, so wohu me na me se mihia wo a, boa me nuaba. In English, that is, if you see me and I say I need you, help me, my sister. And that in Twi again is, so wohu me na me se mihia wo a, boa me nuaba. That's it for this week's lesson. Thanks again, Afari. Thanks again, Juju, for your continuous support. Reggie, I hope it helped. I hope I actually translated what you needed to translate and made sense to you. And I hope everyone that actually knows a song and didn't understand what that part meant actually now knows what it means, right? So please check out all the translations in the description section of this video, right? Again, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers, guys. Thank you for loving the content enough to actually subscribe to it. My old subscribers, you guys are awesome. Thank you for your continuous support. As I usually say, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. We're gradually getting there. I just want to say thank you, guys. Thank you again for actually subscribing. I really appreciate it, right? The other thing is, please get the TWI Junior Pro. With that and these lessons, you learn the language quicker. And guys, please do spread the word. Let anyone who wants to know what TWI is about or wants to know what TWI is come to this lesson, and hopefully when they go through the content, they will actually enjoy it enough to actually subscribe to it, right? And guys, remember, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And guys, remember, the coronavirus, it's not about you, it's about the next person, right? So please do take care of yourself, and once you do that, you can actually help other people as well. Let's listen to the song one last time. Hopefully this time when the chorus comes, you'll actually make sense of what he was trying to say. I hope, guys, it actually made more sense to you the second time around, right? So guys, with that, guys, see you next week. Lots of love. Joseph signing out. Bye.